You asked for it, here it is. Make money online free and worldwide. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $164 and actually a lot more in 1 hour. We're talking about worldwide opportunities, we're talking about free money. What you need to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you how you can earn $164 and even more actually, and this is free money and worldwide opportunities. I'm going to share with you at least 3 opportunities in here, so what you need to do is pay attention, don't skip on anything because then you might miss out on any important information I'm going to share with you regarding these free and worldwide opportunities here. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can make money online for free and worldwide. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first off we are going to the site here, and that is utest.com. So you can quickly realize and see that we are talking about becoming a tester. You can see here that you get paid to shape the digital landscape. Utest by applause is the #1 destination for freelance software testing and feedback. So more or less you work as a freelancer here by testing out some softwares and some other stuff there, and you're going to leave a feedback on that and get paid for it. Now if I go here to the project board, this is what I wanted to show you here, so have a look at this. You can see here iOS, Android devices. Let's go for Sri Lanka for example. Okay, boom, look at this. They have 1, 2, 3. The first one, need testers to test an app on mobile phones, Android TV, Apple TV, Fire TV and tablet devices. The next one, urgent video on demand project, need drivers and riders. The third project, 3 projects available. Okay, let's go for Dominican Republic. There you go, 1, 2 opportunities. Let's go for Algeria. Here we have Algeria, I'm sorry. Let's go for Algeria. 1 opportunity here. It totally depends on when you arrive here to the site. There might not be for the moment, but you can clearly see by just picking your country here that they do have some opportunities available for you. This is a very active site. Here is an article section and a forum section. You can go in here and check out all the details for yourself. If I just open up here, you can see that they do have official Utest articles here, e-commerce, how software testers are shaping the shopping revolution. So you can go inside here, check it out, read the articles so you can get an idea about this site, so you can have a clear idea, and it is super easy actually. What you need to do is just go to sign up for free. You can see this section here. Basically here first, before we do that, in-home smart speaker testing. Here is a worldwide devices. Okay, so this is ongoing projects. They have TV testing on demand. January 31st, so February 10th, this is active opportunities right now guys. So you can make some serious money. I just googled and searched and asked how much do Utest pay. You can see here that you can earn up to $3,000 per month, so that is easily $100 a day. Okay, so utest.com, just go to sign up for free here, fill in the details, apply and get started to make money with this worldwide opportunity here. Now, since we are here at the same topic, we can earn even more money by becoming a tester. We can go to a site like testingtime.com, and if you go to the section here, if I go back just to show you how it looks when you arrive here, we recruit test users. So basically you go to this section here where it says become a test user. So if I go here, you can see test products at home via Skype on site with a customer, and you earn up to 50 euros per hour. All right, 50 euros. Now this is approximately $54.84. I'm sorry. So how this works is that big companies, they want to test their website, they want to test some product they're launching, and they want to record a call with you via Skype. So they're going to ask you some questions. They might say like, could you find the tab for the dresses, for example, or for the coat, or for whatever it's going to be. So you can clearly see it. There is a video here also if you want to see it, but I think it's pretty simple and straightforward actually. All right, so you sign up. You tell them about you a little bit so they know actually how to target more specific jobs for you there. And of course you accept the job and you're going to take it. You're going to get started to take that test job, and of course you're going to get paid also here. Okay, you can see here you will get paid within 10 days, so that is pretty fast. And you will test products from, you can see here, these companies. They are big. I mean, Trivago, for example, Namix, Satu, Zalando, Doodle, UBS. These are super big companies. There is also a frequently asked questions if you want to head over to this site here. Okay, so you can see, for example, what are the requirements. First of all, we expect you to be on time, and that is pretty obvious. I mean, you just can't sign up and go ahead and say, okay, I will be there 3 p.m. and you won't be there. All right, and why is my being reliable and honest so important? I think it's pretty obvious actually. This shouldn't be even here to be honest. I mean, you should definitely, of course, not lie and show up there as you should, because that is how you're going to get paid. Now, what are some advantages of becoming a test user? It's fun to test new products and services. And can I make a living testing products? So no, basically, while you earn a little bit of money with each test, you won't be able to make a living this way. All right, so that is why it's so important, and that is why I wanted to share with you more than just one opportunity, because you can't be rich by testing sites and apps and softwares there. It's definitely why it's so important to have a look at like my #1 recommendation that I have below here. All right. Okay, let's move on here a little bit. Basically, I'm not going to read through it because you can have a look at this for yourself actually, but I wanted to share with you another opportunity that is worldwide and very, very popular. This is the site, this is appen.com. If I scroll down a little bit here, you can see that they do have experience working in 130 plus countries, expertise in 100 and plus languages. This makes it really a worldwide company. And they do have a lot of jobs here actually, because if you just go to the job section, you can see here, you can become a raider, for example, flexible, part-time, home-based. We have language jobs, we have micro tasks, and we have corporate jobs. So if I just go here to the corporate jobs, and you can start to search for all the categories and locations here, okay? The same goes here. Let's say that we go for Sri Lanka remote, for example. If I hit the search, look at this. They want a transcriber, they have a Sri Lankan language expert, and a social media evaluator. Okay, social media evaluator, you see they work with 8 out of the 10 global technology companies in the world to improve and optimize their product for users worldwide, including social media platforms, search engine, voice recognition system, and e-commerce sites. The world of tech is moving fast, and since our founding in '96, we rose for the challenge by becoming a publicly listed company and by building an international team that works in over 130 countries and in more than 180 languages. All right, so if you love social media, as they say here, and want to influence on how they can interact with technology, then you can definitely apply for being a social media evaluator. They are going to ask you some questions if you can see specific ads on the news feed, for example, on Facebook and stuff like that. Super easy job and opportunity. But as I said, just go here and search around. There are so many opportunities available here on Appen, and this is of course also worldwide opportunities here. So there you have it, how you can make money online totally free and worldwide. Now, as I said in the beginning here, if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, working from the comfort of your home or wherever you are, as long as you have an internet connection, then I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you liked what you saw, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see here. They are both related to make money online, work from home opportunities, and a lot more. So make sure you subscribe to both and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation here also. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.